Hello, fellow cat lovers. I have a special message for you today. Yeah, I finally did it. I actually wrote a guide about cat barf. Kinda strange, I know, but here's the reason why. Meet Gibbs and Halo, cherished members of our family. Gibbs, like many cats, experienced occasional vomiting. Our little girl Halo, on the other hand, went through a distressing 3-month period of excessive vomiting beginning on New Year's Day 2023. Both situations led us on a journey we never expected. Occasional vomiting in cats is common, but it's not normal. It's a sign that something's not quite right. Usually, it's caused by a piece of string or tinsel that is swallowed or something like that, but could also be an early warning sign of something far more serious. And as cat parents, we naturally want to understand and help our feline friends. Excessive vomiting, like what Halo experienced, is even more distressing. It's a clear sign of disorder and can lead to feelings of confusion, helplessness, and worry. Whether it's occasional or excessive, vomiting leads to vet visits, mounting costs, confusion, and frustration of not knowing how to handle or prevent the issue. That's why I dedicated 3 months to intensive research determined to learn how to control and possibly prevent both occasional and excessive feline vomiting. The result of my quest is this guide. It's a labor of love, a compilation of everything I learned about managing and preventing feline tummy troubles. This guide brings peace of mind to cat owners, improved health and happiness for cats, potential cost savings from reduced vet visits, and cleaner carpets in your home. Let's face it, who wants to come home after a busy day and find kitty surprises that now must be wiped off the floor or shampooed from your carpet? By implementing the prevention tips in this guide, that hassle will become a distant memory. By following the prevention tips in this guide, you could potentially save hundreds, if not thousands, on veterinary expenses. In my case, this guide would have saved me about $2,000 in emergency vet bills for little Halo. And that's why I'm asking you to invest in your cat's health and your peace of mind. Buy this guide today and receive the 3 Fast Action Taker bonuses listed below. Start making smart decisions for your feline friends' well-being and save on expensive emergency vet bills. Here's to many more years of happiness and health with your feline friends. Thank you for caring about your cat's health. After all, our cats are more than just pets. They're family. Once again, today you get this guide, Soothing Your Cat's Tummy Troubles, plus bonus number 1, interactive play, fun and games to keep your cat active and healthy. Bonus number 2, homemade cat treats, healthy and easy recipes your cat will love and will love you for. And bonus number 3, 15 things you probably don't know about your cat. A total real-world value of $28.88, but you'll have it all for a fraction of that price if you act right now. Grab it all right now. Simply tap the button or link below to get started on the road to improved feline health, fewer hassles, and more peace of mind.